Alright guys, it's been a while since I've made a video with about anything. I've just been busy doing summer stuff with the kids. But today we're going to be working on a town car, my brother's. What we got here? We're going to change out the air pump on his car. So that's the air pump right there. It's underneath here, the air box. And tell me what's going on with it here.
It's just old. It needs to be replaced.
Yeah.
It's
what, almost 20 years old?
It's an 05, so it's almost 20 years old, and it's just parts wear out over 20 years. So you just gotta, in order to maintain it, you gotta change parts out. There's nothing wrong with it. It hasn't gone out yet, but you don't want to tempt fate and preemptively.
And it's running.
So it's running great, and I'm getting ready to go on a trip. So, and I noticed that when I was coming back that it was kind of a little bit softer than normal. So, then the other day when I was driving around, it was lower than I normally like it, or that it seemed. So, I looked into it, and we basically did some rudimentary checking out and determined that the pump's going out. So
yeah,
and I'm one of those people that instead of waiting for it to break, might as well fix it while it's getting ready to break or before it breaks. So I got the parts, and
the pump was running really slow too.
Yeah, it's just the pump was old. The old pump's old. So
yeah, so it looks pretty straightforward. My town car has air suspension. It's probably going to need this in a year or so. My car is about a year newer than his. So yeah, mine's an 06. This is an 05. So I'm going to put the camera and we'll set it up and we'll get this going, taking this apart. Alrighty, we just got everything disconnected and unbolted.
As you can see, it's already disconnected. This is part of the pump.
Yeah, it comes with the new one.
This thing was kind of a pain in the ass to take apart because it's got two clips on the sides. And then it took us a minute to figure out how to take this out.
So what you do is
you push down on that and then it slides right in.
So you push down on the red part and then push in on the
push the white part straight into the
push
hole.
in and it releases. So you push down on the orange. All right, let's see if I get this. You push down or push this in, it releases and it pulls out.
So now we got it all disassembled. I put it back in here to show where it goes. Now we take it out like so. Mind you that there's 3 bolts on the bottom. This one is the bitch to get to, so you're gonna have to crawl on the ground to get to it. Other than that, it looks good, but it's done. Obviously, because it's 20 years old. You see how old that is? So
yeah.
So now put that to the side.
And then this one.
Come over here, and this is the brand new one, and it just goes right into the hole.
Hold on, let me let's see. I'm gonna get a vacuum. We're gonna clean this all out before we put it in there.
But in essence, it goes down.
Yeah, it's the new one just slides down in there.
But we gotta clean the air. We gotta clean the AO of where it goes down in there, because you can see there's
a lot of dirt. So we're gonna clean that all out.
We gotta clean that out. We gotta make sure nothing gets in this, because that's the air hose itself.
So we've been trying to keep that clean. So this just slides straight down in there.
Straight back down in there, and then everything clips back in. So hopefully it'd be a bada bing, bada boom type of a situation. So.
All right, let's go. Let's do the cleaning and then we'll show you installation.
All right.
All right, just go ahead and drop it down in there and we'll bolt it down after we get it. There you go. Hold on, let's get something first.
Actually, what we should probably do is this first.
hold on. So we get some terminal cleaner. Like that, all right?
Yeah.
We'll clean that all off while we got it open. Contact cleaner.
Should snap right in there.
Yeah, like that. And then that went in. And then that goes. Like that. I think they're all in there.
I can't see. No, it's not.
1, 2, and 3, right?
There we go. Got it.
Cool.
Hold on. Let me see this one. There we go. Got it.
All right, then we get this here.
Goes right there. It was like that.
It was like that.
Well,
Oh, would you look at that? There's a little shelf under there.
at least that's what I thought it was for.
That is what it's for. It's just not an exact, you know. What, you piece of shit?
Yeah, fuck it. Watch this.
Oh, hold on, hold on. That'll work.
Watch this. Fixed it.
I have a better idea. Let's go zip tie. You got a zip ties? Where are the zip ties at? Right here. Zip tie. Well, Dorman's not, they make good stuff, but sometimes their other shit's not like a perfect fit.
Yeah.
So I've learned this trick in the past. Yeah, just like that. That'll hold it. And that sits exactly where it needs to be. And then alrighty. So
Now you gotta screw the thing in.
yeah, let's go ahead and screw this all down, and we'll show you how to put the air box and everything back. Alrighty, so we tested it. You couldn't hear it and see it anyway, so we put the air box on. Tested our repair before we get in there. Now we just gotta. Don't ever run the car without hooking this sensor up and being in this pipe, or it'll cause set a code. But now we just got to put the air box back in, which is pretty
I
simple.
want to set the camera up overlooking what we're doing. Just keep that over there.
Okay.
So that's a suggestion. I'm gonna set it right
It's fine. But there's just 3 bolts left to go onto this. And then we need all right. Then you come up and you put that in.
here.
Yeah.
It's still not in there, right? 'Cause it's not.
Oh yeah. Alrighty. And just like that, and what time is it? Oh, about 30 minutes, 45 minutes maybe. It's all,
45 minutes.
it's all done, taken care of. And that is installing a new pump into your town car. I have to say though, that new pump is really quiet.
It's a lot quieter. You could tell that the other one was going out just by the noise.
So,
And it's been going out for a while because it's been making noise for 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah. So I guess it has been going out the whole time. So.
Yeah, because you could. The first time it turned on.
You hear it, you vibrate the whole car. Go,
Yeah, but the first time we turned it on, you couldn't hear it. Couldn't hear it at all.
It was a lot quieter.
So.
Yeah, it's a lot better. Can't wait to get on the road and see what it does.
So that's replacing an air pump on a town car. The next project we're going to be doing is I got to fix my alternator, the pulley on the front of the alternator. It went bad. And then another project will be replacing with these air valves and the back.
It's always good to mark the box, what car it's for. So LTC Lincoln Town Car.
Because we have more than one car project.
We have more than one car project going on. So
yeah, these go on the back of the airbags, right here. So lube these up before, and then it's pretty much the same. So we'll change those out here in a little bit. Let's rack the car and do that now. All right, so I guess this is a continuation. Let's rack the car and put those air.
we needed to put those in. Yeah, that's a different story.
So, alrighty.